Hey everyone, it's Adam with a quick video on how to use MixEffect on Apple Silicon Macs to control multiple ATEM switchers. Let's get started. Here is my ATEM, and it's showing my ATEM Extreme. I'm connected to on my Mac, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that it's actually working. So I'm going to click Auto, and it transitions to the camera right in front of me. I switch back to my Mac, and what I'm going to do on the Mac is just hit Command N. And this is going to open up a new window. And I see that I'm actually connected to a 4ME broadcast, which is right behind me. Okay, so here it is. And you can see it auto transition right there. And it goes like this. But that's not it. I also have an ATEM Mini Pro right below the ATEM Mini Extreme. So I'm going to connect to that one. Connect. And there it is. Click Auto. And you can't see it, but it is switching. And I also have an ATEM Television Studio HD behind there on top of the 4ME Broadcast Studio. So let's connect to that one. Click Connect, and we're connected. And I don't know if you can see the lights, but it is switching back and forth. Now, what's interesting is if I make this window smaller, and I'll make this window smaller, make it like this, that, and we'll make this guy smaller as well so we can see all of the MixEffects running here. So what's important to note is that if you use OSC to control all these different ATEMs, you have to have different ports because MixEffect is running on the same computer. There's 4 of them. So you have to assign different ports to them. So if we take a look at the ATEM Mini Pro, we'll see that I've assigned the port address of, make this a little bigger. I can make it bigger. 4993, okay? And on the ATEM Television Studio switcher connection, the port is 4991, and the port for the 4ME switcher connection is 49992, and we have the ATEM Mini Extreme, which is 49990. So what this all means is that I have a Stream Deck right here, and what I'm going to do is I have 4 buttons here. I have Extreme Auto, Mini Pro Auto, Television Studio Auto, and the 4ME Auto. And because these are all connected to 4 different companion instances, I'm using the generic OSC client right now. And this one's pointing to the Extreme at 49990, the ATEM Mini Pro at 49993, Television Studio at 49991, and the 4ME at 49992. Okay, hard to keep track of all the nines. So let's see what happens when I push these buttons. I'm going to go back to the switcher in all of them. Okay, and as a starter, I'm going to click the Mini Pro, and you see it switches in the Mac interface, the Television Studio, the 4ME, and I'll push the ATEM Extreme, which is actually going to change what you're seeing here, to me. Push it again. Let's do them all again. I'm going to push them all at once. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there you go. How to use MixEffect on Apple Silicon Macs to control multiple ATEM switchers. Now, word of warning, I have seen instances where when you create multiple windows and you try to scroll, scrolling stops and MixEffect is basically frozen. It's basically crashed and you need to force quit it. Not exactly sure what's happening, and it's something that I'm going to be actively looking at to improve in the future. In a pinch, I think it works fine to use MixEffect to control a couple ATEM switchers. Not so sure you want to control 4 or 5 or 6 or 8 ATEMs at once, but it's something you can definitely give it a shot and see what happens. Also, if you are using shortcuts, it may be unreliable as to which MixEffect window the shortcut will operate on. But again, give it a shot and let me know what you think. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.